7 Fascinating Foods and Supplements with Viagra-Like Effects. Finding techniques to increase your sex desire is a typical occurrence. Many individuals choose natural options since they are widely accessible, discreet, and likely to have less negative effects than prescription medications like Viagra, which may help males with a penis have an erection. This is not medical advice. Please consult with your doctor if you feel any symptoms of ED. Numerous foods and supplements have been demonstrated to increase libido and, if erectile dysfunction, ED, is a worry for you, to treat it. This article includes product recommendations to help you make an easier shopping decision and identify 7 foods and substances that may help increase your sex drive. Make sure you discuss this with your naturopathic doctor. Listed not in any specific order. Here we go. Maca. A root vegetable called maca, Lepidium mayani, has historically been used to increase sex drive and fertility. The many supplement forms available for purchase include powders, capsules, and liquid extracts. 42% of men who consumed 1,500 to 3,000 milligrams of maca daily reported having more sex desire, according to a 12-week study from 2002. One analysis of the literature suggested that maca might boost male sexual desire naturally by acting as an aphrodisiac. More research is required, however it might potentially aid in treating ED. Additionally, some research indicates that maca may help prevent the libido loss that may happen as a side effect of some antidepressant medications. The majority of research discovered that 1.5 to 3.5 grams taken each day for at least 2 to 12 weeks was sufficient to increase libido. 2. Ginseng. Ginseng, particularly red ginseng, may help with decreased libido and enhance sexual performance. Red ginseng is in fact helpful at enhancing sexual desire in menopausal women, according to an analysis of 10 studies. Red ginseng may also increase nitric oxide production. This substance promotes relaxation of the penile muscles and improves blood circulation. In fact, research has shown that this herb greatly improves erectile function compared to a placebo. Red ginseng, among other varieties, may in fact increase erectile function or sex satisfaction when compared to placebo, according to a study of 9 trials involving nearly 600 men with mild to moderate ED. Indeed, a meta-analysis of 9 studies involving nearly 600 men with mild to moderate ED found that red ginseng, among other types, likely improves erectile function or sexual satisfaction when compared to placebo. Still, the effect is small, and the majority of the included studies were of poor quality. As a result, more research is required. It's also worth noting that, while red ginseng is generally well tolerated, it can cause side effects like headaches and stomach upset. It may also interact with medications such as blood thinners, so people who take them should consult a doctor before using it. Fenugreek is a popular alternative medicine herb that may help boost libido and sexual function. It contains compounds that your body can use to make sex hormones like estrogen and testosterone. A 12-week study found that giving 120 middle-aged and older men 600 milligrams of fenugreek extract daily improved sexual function and increased testosterone levels. It is unknown, however, whether this increase in testosterone is clinically significant. Similarly, in an 8-week study of 80 women with low libido, taking 600 milligrams of fenugreek daily significantly improved sexual arousal and desire when compared to the placebo group. Having said that, there have been very few human studies on fenugreek and libido, so more research is needed. Furthermore, this herb interacts with blood-thinning medications, such as aspirin. If you're taking a blood thinner, speak with a medical professional before taking fenugreek. 4. Saffron. Saffron is a delicious spice that comes from the Crocus sativus flower. Its many traditional uses range from stress reduction to acting as an aphrodisiac, especially for people taking antidepressants. According to some studies, saffron may help with sexual dysfunction caused by antidepressants. Furthermore, a meta-analysis of 6 studies concluded that saffron improved erectile function, sexual desire, and satisfaction in men. However, significant flaws in the methods of the analyzed studies undermined these findings. Furthermore, a review of 5 studies involving 173 people found that saffron significantly improved various aspects of sexual pleasure, desire, and arousal, but the results varied significantly across studies. Saffron's effects on sexual function in people who do not have depression or are not taking antidepressants are mixed. 5. Lcitrulline. Lcitrulline is an amino acid naturally produced by your body. Your body then converts it into L-arginine, which helps improve blood flow by producing nitric oxide to dilate your blood vessels. This, in turn, may treat ED. For example, a small 2011 study in 24 men with mild ED and conditions associated with ED, like high blood pressure and diabetes, found that taking 1.5 grams of L-citrulline daily significantly improved symptoms in 50% of participants after 1 month. In another 30-day study in men, taking a daily combination of 800 mg of L-citrulline and 300 mg of trans-resveratrol combined with a prescription ED medication improved erectile function and hardness, compared with the placebo treatment. Trans-resveratrol, commonly known as resveratrol, is a plant compound that functions as an antioxidant and is linked to numerous health benefits. L-citrulline is available as a dietary supplement in capsule or powder form but is naturally present in foods like watermelon, dark chocolate, and nuts. 6. Ginkgo Biloba. In traditional Chinese medicine, Ginkgo Biloba is a popular herbal supplement. It may treat a variety of issues, including sexual disorders such as ED and low libido, according to some older research in animal studies. This is because it can increase blood levels of nitric oxide, which aids blood flow by promoting blood vessel expansion. Ginkgo biloba appears to have stronger potential nitric oxide boosting effects in animals and humans with conditions associated with decreased production, such as heart disease. Supplements containing Ginkgo biloba have been shown to improve libido and sexual function when combined with other compounds such as L-arginine, zinc, and Tribulus terrestris. 7. Tribulus. Tribulus terrestris, is a small leafy plant whose roots and fruit are used in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. It's also widely available as a sports supplement and is frequently marketed to increase testosterone levels and sex drive. While no human studies have shown that it can increase testosterone levels, it does appear to increase sex drive in both sexes. In fact, taking 750 mg of Tribulus daily for 3 months increased sexual satisfaction in 88% of participants in a 90-day study of women who reported low sexual pleasure. However, because there was no placebo group in the study, no conclusions can be drawn. However, research on people with ED has yielded conflicting results. An older study discovered that taking 800 mg of this supplement daily was beneficial.